First say hi.
Hi.
Alright, we're going to draw names. The first pick. What does it say? Other side.
Ivy.
1B.
1B.
Okay. Holden wants to get in on it too. Hey, buddy. Okay, you pick one. Tell me what name it is. Just one.
Greg.
Greg?
Yeah.
We also call him Jerkface.
Why?
I don't know. Okay, what does it say?
A1.
Okay, now let's draw a name.
Steve.
Steve. The big dogs. Okay.
3A.
3A.
Hey, that's my room.
Sweet. Draw a name.
Jamie.
Jamie. It was 3A?
Yeah, it was 3A.
Okay.
Two A. Up.
Okay, now let's draw a name.
Cliff. Up.
Cliff Skillings. Okay, draw a name.
This isn't a name.
Or I'm sorry, draw a number.
4A.
Okay, now draw a name.
Ian.
Uncle Ian, aka Smoke Dog.
Up.
Hold on, buddy, you can't get up yet.
4B.
Okay, let's see who Ian's teammate is. Pick a name.
Ryan.
Ryan, Mr. Maury.
Do we have any more? We have 2B.
Yep, here we go.
It's gonna be James. 2B.
Okay, let's see who Cliff's teammate is.
Brad.
Brad Jewett. And that means, pull that one.
Where? 3B.
And
Mark.
Spaghetti Face. Alright, say goodbye.